Hey man, this was supposed to be how this video was supposed to start and shit, but like I just realized like how gay this looks and shit. Like I was just like hooking my boy up with condoms and shit, and now y'all gonna make it seem like. But hey, man, forget that, bro. So like, yeah, bro, today is going to be another one, bro. So boy, man, the king of monkeys, and I'm bringing you them bangers, bro. Like, come on, man. So like today, I mean, I already started with the intro. I gave you a clue. It has to do something with condoms and shit. So like, what I'm going to be doing is putting a condom, implanting a condom on the door handle, man, on my door handle, man, and whoever is gonna come in has to go through the condom, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? But like, hey man, I don't like chatting too much. Let's get into this, babe. Yo guys, so I just finished putting like a condom on this shit.
Taking the
What's in here? This guy is making just here. We look for this guy. Yo, every workout. Where is he?
he taking when he gives room.
Like in here?
Brother,
Another story, story.
No way. These guys, the whole time.
you couldn't tell what you're touching. You couldn't tell what you're touching.
Yo.
Touch the handle again.
No way. The whole time I've been coming here, bro. No wonder, man. Guys.
Shit. We got it. You know what? Yo.
Please close the door. You are doing that! You made me fucking touch it. You made me fucking touch it. It's all love. Oh, this love, man. Oh my God.
Twice guys drinking it.
Now it is everyone good now. Did you come in this room? But fuck you though. Again, fuck you. Mas vai dar school on close. You gotta go please. Please close my now. Please close.
Oh yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Baby.
Oh shit. No, oh shit, man.
You don't feel it. But I see the next thing you can. She touched it. Oh my day! No!
Really bravo.
No go show
You guys are always like this.
What's our weekend?
Je l'ai montré quand on m'a vendu.
This guy don't even treat, bro. Oh, fuck. What fuck, bro? Oh, you put it on my niggas are pussy. Fuck you, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck, bro.
Oh shit, man. Hey, that was pretty much it, man. Hey, man. Once again, it's your boy Monkey, the King of Monkeys, and I hope you enjoyed the video, man. Like, I feel like average it was okay. Like, beginning was it was slick as fuck, but like the end and shit, it was kind of ass. But like, hey, man, you know, we always improving this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna be back with some more bangers, so don't forget to drop a like and subscribe, my niggas. Yeah, bro, as I said before, I don't like chatting too much. Oh yeah, bro, I'll see you next time. Peace.